Why Bitcoin did so big rise and what could be the next? Let's discuss together because I think most of you saw that Bitcoin and many other top coins did this massive rise yesterday by nearly 10%. And it's really important question, should we take short based on our previous plan? But I mentioned to you that 92 is a key area where we could take a short trade. Let's discuss it. Before, for a start, I would like to share with you a few words. What was the reason why price did so significant and so big movement? Yesterday, main reason why there was significant rise on most of coins because of this massive open interest rise. It means that someone started buying a lot of volume on top of the markets. You can see spot delta started rising and futures delta also entered, especially after significant move. Uh, I personally didn't. I personally took only one trade, which was here on Link. When I saw this significant open interest rise, you can see here. When I saw this open interest rise, I took first long 10,000 volume. After that, I added additional 10k, and when price reached the swing high, I closed my position. Honestly, after that, I took 6% of a move, and after that, they gave additional 8%. I could make 2k here if I would keep this trade longer. But who knows? But who knows? Also, within our club, I shared this plan where I told to our community members when I saw that such significant volume rising, in the case of local range, we should take trade. Uh, to be honest, that trade appeared at night because you can see SUI. We had additional 4 hour candles, and only after that SUI started squeeze up. Some of our community members who passed our education program and who knows what to do, they took beautiful long and make quite significant money. Additionally, as you can see, I share long, short signals. For me, it doesn't matter. We trade market in both directions. We trade crypto and also we trade indexes. Additionally, what's a major positive side of this situation? Because yesterday I scalped NQ, made more than 1,000. And when I started to see a big volatility on a crypto, in some case, it was really difficult to trade two markets together. That's why let's go and let's discuss what we can trade the next. Before I ask you to push like, follow me right now on this channel. Regarding BTC and our plans that I shared with you in previous analysis, if you remember, uh, honestly, plan is still the same. I like this key area 92, 93k. I like it, but the most important question: will price confirm entry? Because as you know, I like to take a trade in the case of open interest absorption. Remind to you a trade that I took, a signal that we gave in within our community, short on Ripple, where I made 1,700. Major reason why we took short, because there was significant open interest absorption. Example for you here. There was beautiful open interest absorption. Price at that moment reached a value area low of a previous range. And at that moment, we took a trade because it is several combinations, several confirmations to take a trade. Right now, Bitcoin is at key area, global trend still down, but in terms of open interest, there is empty space. That's a reason why at this moment I prefer to do nothing. I wait. If I will see that their significant open interest buildup happens around 93k, I will take short trade, and our plan, which I sent to you here, this plan, would be exactly good for me, and I will take it. If there would be no absorption and price slowly squeeze up to continue, in that case, next key resistance for me would be around 101, 102k. Main reason why here it is a major resistance, because first, it would be anchored VWAP since swing high. Second, it would be this low volume node it would be a start of this significant volume profile. And additionally, as you can see, price bounced from this area so many times. It is it is a key resistance for me. That's why, super shortly, my plan for BTC. In the case of absorption, we will take short around 93. If there would be no absorption, price slowly would squeeze to continue. Next key resistance, 100, 103 key area. And after that, we will take short. Remember, global trend is still down. That's the reason why I look for the trend to continue. Only only something like this, price breakable 104k, consolidate here, only this stuff for me would be a clear signal that downtrend is over, and only after that I would become bullish. Without it, I don't see any massive volume at bottom. I don't have clear reason why there must be reversal. Let's go to other top coins. Before, I have a great news for you. You can join our community where we share signals systematically, where we show our people how to take trades and how to make money with us. What should you do? Below this video, there would be first link. Open it. There would be special form. Fill it and join our community. Receive signals, recommendation from me that will help you make money and be profitable as our community members. What about other top coins? Let's cover Ethereum, Solana, Ripple. About Ethereum also reached a local range high. Not bad place, but again, empty, nothing, no volume, no absorption. That's really bad. That's a reason why at this moment I simply wait. If absorption appears around 3,100, yes, we will take short trade. If there would be no absorption, I would wait for next important key level. Only in what cases for me it would be a signal that this downtrend is over. Only if price breakable VWAP and start consolidating around it, above it. Only this stuff is a trend break for me. Without it, we follow this downtrend. The most important question: from which point? This one or this one? The next one, it is Solana. Solana also, we have powerful downtrend. The most important question where to take a trade. 145, if you remember, I mentioned to you it was my key resistance area. Again, nothing special, no volume spike, no nothing. That's the reason why at this moment it's difficult would be to use that level. I wait again as on BTC, as on Ethereum absorption here. If that appears, we take short. If not, next key resistance, it would be around VWAP. Only breakout as on Ethereum and BTC above VWAP and consolidation could be a signal for something bigger and significant rise. Without it, global trend still down. Ripple key resistance 226. I wait for additional open interest absorption. If that happens, we take new short. Hyperliquid 3536 local resistant area. Again, if there would be some volume absorption, we will take short. BNB. Honestly, for BNB may be only one coin that took this low of liquidation, and there could be some pullback. Honestly, I think it's even possible for BNB to reach 1,000 area, and from that 1,000 area, it would be possible to take for a new short. Right now, about long. Main reason why I don't like to take long, because there is no significant volume. There's only right now open interest started to rise. It's possible that BNB could reach VWAP if open interest continue to build up. Yes, in that case, it would be possible to take some local long on BNB with a target 1,000. What about other coins such as SUI and LINK, where we had the biggest rise? Honestly, if this would be a BTC, I would be super happy, because in that case, it would be a clear signal that trend is over. But on SUI, we had significant rise, significant drop, my apology, minus 55%. Main problem is that after the drop, quite significant pullback could happen. Last plan that I sent within our community is to take long from this consolidation around 160. At this moment, price did quite significant rise, and any new trade possible only if price would do some local consolidation above 162, because around 160 a lot of volume entered. If price would be above it, there could be some local rise to VWAP or even to next swing key level, and only after that we could look for potentially new short. Link, same with Link. Link broke structure. Local consolidation possible to take long to 1669. Let's summarize. BTC at this moment, super important, a key area, but we don't have confirmation. If confirmation appears, of course, I will send a signal to our community, as I always do, where I will warn them how to take trade and all of this stuff. If there would be no confirmation, we simply skip this situation. Additionally, remember that at this moment, market correlate to BTC enormously. If BTC would continue rise, altcoins also could continue. Global trend still down. We don't have confirmations that global trend is over, but there could be local rise even inside in downtrend. That's normal stuff. That's why key resistance for BTC 93 or 101, 103K area. At those places, it is the best to take short. Right now, once more, I prepared for you my video about my strategy that I use with open interest, how to make money while it rise, drop. Watch it right now and have a good day. Bye.